So my next guest today is Mark Kanpurwala. He is the VP of Sales for a company called Aven Tools. So welcome, Mark. Nice to see you again.
Thank you. Always good to be here.
Yeah. So you've got some pretty high quality magnification systems for inspection.
Yeah.
You've been around for quite a while with them, but more recently you've brought in some new UV lamps to
Right.
Or introduced the UV lamps into them. What was behind that, and how's it? And what's the use case?
Sure. We've always had a UV offering, as it's been, always something everybody's always had in their portfolio. But I think as we've seen the increase in aerospace and defense, especially in the U.S., all their boards require, to be looked at under UV. So really, any product we've put UV in has done really well. But recently here at the show that we recently launched is one of our patented products, which is a magnifying lamp that has a camera in it.
Yes.
That now also has a built-in UV light.
Oh, great.
So
so
we
you
made
can get
some
objective evidence, yeah.
Yeah, so we made some modifications to the camera that, not all cameras can pick up UV very well. Our camera picks up the UV, so that way, this is really the first of a kind where somebody can actually take a picture of the board. They can be looking at it through the magnifying lamp, or others can see it on a screen.
Yeah.
They can take it out to a computer. There's a whole lot of things now that they can do to document their process with a simple magnifying lamp, as before they always had to have some sort of secondary video inspection system.
Right. So that obviously shows up any splashes or marks or things that are on coated boards.
Yes.
So the applications for high reliability coated boards that are used in military, aerospace, and medical, that type of thing.
Right. Oh yeah. We see it in lots of applications. Even all the way through medical device boards.
Yes.
So.
Yes. Okay. Interesting. I believe you've also got some other products that are coming down the pipe. Is there anything you can tell us about?
Well, a lot of some of our more popular products, we've redesigned them with upgraded chips, upgraded, sensors in them, as well as upgraded lighting and adding UV lighting again to products that didn't have it before.
Okay.
We've also come out with some new hand tools with different grips and whatnot, to facilitate in the production line as well. So, Aven has always been a company that is on the production line, or
That's
the quality lab.
Yeah. So you've got these hand tools as well, haven't you, for picking up components and pieces?
Yes,
and,
exactly.
That sort of thing.
And they're made of different materials, depending. So, for example, especially for military or aerospace, we see titanium, because you cannot have any contamination. So depending on the material and the precision point they need to be at, we kind of offer a full range of products there.
Excellent. Great. Well, it's exciting to hear about your new UV lamps. I think that's a good innovation, and I look forward to seeing some new things coming down. I think it's probably going to be Apex before we hear.
It'll be Apex probably before anything major releases. We usually tease it out about a month or so before, but with the way things have been, in the design world and everything, kind of getting products in and out, as obviously has been a challenge at times. It'll be before Apex before we see any big new product releases.
We'll definitely keep our eyes open for that. But
All right.
I want to thank you for coming in and talking to us today.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.